I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my product review and DIY videos. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this 12x12 hardtop gazebo and giving you an idea of what to expect when you get it, because these are in three boxes. So some people might be curious what you might get if you buy a gazebo online, especially if, like us, you bought it from Temu. Okay, so we're going to get right to the unboxing, and I'll talk a bit about it as we unbox it. So this is a hardtop gazebo, which if you don't know what a gazebo is, it looks like this, but so this is a gazebo, but a hardtop is like, it's a solid structure. So it's like kind of plastic or wood. This hardtop won't be plastic, it'll be metal. And it came in these three boxes, all of which are really heavy. And where's the weight? Yeah, it's like a, yeah, this one is 45 kilograms. That's 100 pounds alone. This package itself is 100 pounds. This one is 26 kilograms, so that's about like 70 or 80 pounds. And this one is, oh my god, that's 55 kilograms. That's about 130, 140 pounds. So this one is the heaviest. And we saw the mailman, when he was delivering them, he did each one by himself. But while I'm struggling with this opening, it's worth mentioning, yeah, it's really hard to carry around. You probably need two people for it. But while I was trying to get this out of the garage and into the yard, I actually broke my glasses because I leaned it on my face to support it, because I was doing it by myself, and that's why I don't have glasses right now. But it's just insane seeing that mailman could do it by himself. He didn't even need a trolley. He must have been super strong. Or actually it was a UPS guy. So not specifically a mailman, but a delivery man. So we got this gazebo because we've used these gazebos quite often. We always have these set up in the yard, and every year we take down the top during the winter, and then we put the top back on so that it doesn't get blown away by the wind. And they're actually pretty important for keeping you shaded during the summer, because it's really hot. But we've had a gazebo like this. We've had two of these gazebos, and each time we bought them, they've been $200, and nowadays you can buy them for $300. And this hardtop gazebo is around $600 if you buy it on Temu. So we could have just bought a hardtop gazebo and just used that for the entire time, because each of these normal gazebos, they've only lasted a couple of years. So we want to get a permanent solution in a hardtop gazebo. And we bought it from Temu because it's cheaper from Temu. And I know a lot of people have criticisms of Temu. Sometimes they're valid, but sometimes they're valid. We decided to take the risk on this. And also, they're much cheaper on Temu, because if you look on Amazon, you can buy a gazebo like this for about $1,000, including shipping, or $800 plus $200 shipping, at least. So $600 is a far better deal. And if it works, that means it's definitely a better deal. At least with a gazebo, if it isn't like the best quality, you can at least like reinforce it with like a wooden structure, right? So I don't think this is going to be a bad investment. But we're also going to do a separate assembly video, because apparently assembling this is really hard, and really it takes a really long time. Okay, so before unraveling that, I'll get these ones open. Yeah, the unboxing is already taking a lot of time, so just imagine how long it's going to take to build it. And got the original canopies, or the original gazebos from Ocean State Job Lot. The original building that we got it from is closed now. It replaced the Best Buy near us. But we decided to go to Temu because we don't really have the room to transport a gazebo, a hardtop gazebo in our car. And that's why we decided to go with online shipping. And we decided to go with Temu because of the price. Okay. Okay, so there's the hardware and the instructions. So this is what it looks like. And this one. So this looks like it's the roof. Wow. Alright, so the reason we're doing this unboxing video is so that you can see what to expect from unboxing these. And I'm trying to think of the best way to lay this out, because this is gonna, just the square feet alone of trying to lay all this out will probably be more than this entire like brick area. But okay, so we get the roof panels. They're all sort of triangular like this. So I assume like to make this, you're gonna have to separate these and then put them all together. That'll be interesting. So this is the netting. Usually that netting would go around on these rods. And you can see the netting here. So this is mosquito netting to prevent mosquitoes from biting you in the summer. Of course, I mentioned before the hardware. And this might be a curtain in addition to the netting. Sometimes they have curtains for blocking out sunlight. Although this one doesn't usually have a curtain, it only has the mosquito net. So that's an interesting addition. This is more parts, and I can't really tell from what it looks like right now what it's going to be for. Actually, I don't want to take them all out of the packaging right now because I don't want them to, I want to make it easier to move around. Some more supports, more structural things. And these are the poles, I think. Let's see. Yeah, so I think these are the poles. They look pretty similar to what the poles look like here. Anyway, it doesn't matter. When we do the assembly, we'll figure out what these are. While I mentioned the poles, it's also important to note that when they're talking about the footprint of the canopy, the actual roof is 12 by 12, but the distance between the poles is the distance from one side of the pole to the other side is 11.5 feet. Whereas with this kind of canopy, it says it's 10 by 12. It actually is 12 feet from pole to pole, and 10 feet from that pole to that pole. And the canopy is actually a bit larger. Anyway, this is the top of the canopy. This looks like it's got some hardware in it. Okay, so some more support pieces. Okay. More brackets and stuff like that. Let's see what this red box, or this red bag's for. Alright, this red bag has a lot of these plastic stopper pieces. Okay, well, let's see what these are for later. This looks like another bracket or support piece or structural piece. And then these are some more of those structural pieces. Okay, so there's a third bag. This one is a different type of bag. It's also a drawstring, but it's a different type of drawstring. Okay, some more. These are plastic. So I guess this is a combination of plastic and metal pieces. And then in here we have some more structural pieces. So yeah, I mean, I can't really unbox anything else without just saying, yeah, it looks like it's for building, for structure. You kind of get the idea. But now you can see exactly why the packaging is so heavy. Why it's at least 300 pounds when you combine it all. So in our next video, we're going to show you how to assemble it all. It's going to take us quite a lot of time. So a lot of people say at least 15 hours. Some people, it took them 3 days to assemble it. So go check that out if you're interested. And we'll see you in the next video. But for now, I'm Aiman, and today I unboxed this hardtop gazebo to show you an idea of what you should get when you order the gazebo online. You can buy this on Amazon. We got it from Temu, but you can buy it on Amazon if you're interested in buying it. We'll link it down in the description below so that you can buy it yourself. And we'll see you in the next video. I'm Aiman, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the videos on assembling this gazebo and my other videos. But for now, I'll see you in the next one. I'm Aiman, and signing out.